Welcome back. So the final part is just tidying up. After doing the servicing, we're just going to have to reset the service light. So I'll show you how to do that. It takes about 2 minutes to do, and literally all you've got to do is push one button. But I'll show you how you get on with that. Okay, so the last thing to do is to reset the engine maintenance lights. So all you need to do is flick down using your down arrow. Keep going until you get to this one, and then all you do, press and hold the OK button, and you keep holding it for about a minute until it starts flashing. And you keep holding it. And there we go, and that is it, reset. Obviously I hope the little set of videos doing the servicing was helpful. If it was, obviously give them the videos a thumbs up, give them a like, and so I've got a few more videos coming up. We've got the ambient lighting coming up soon, so like, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.